Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to be opening my Petit Vour box for March. So let's go ahead and dig right in. So here's our card for this month. It's this really pretty dragonfly print. I think that's really nice. It looks like we're getting 4 products this month. So let's go ahead and dig right in. So the first one I've got here is the Be Kind Lip Balm, lemon and lime with apricot oil and vitamin E. And I go through some of these lip balms. They go in my purse. They go on like every vanity in every bathroom. Got them at my desk, my nightstand. So I do always enjoy getting a lip balm. So this one is a $13 value. It says a water-free formula that creates a protective barrier against further drying to bring long-term hydration to your lips. So let's see, is it tinted? No, it looks clear, which is nice. I have all tinted ones in my purse right now, so I should probably put a clear one down there with all of those just to add a little bit of ease on the go. Don't really have to pay attention to what I'm doing. So I'm excited about this. It's the product I've never received. I think the packaging is cute. This like light yellow buttercream color is very in vogue in my opinion right now. So the packaging's cute, and it's got little specks of metallic gold, and hopefully the product's good too. $13 feels like a good valuation for a really well formulated lip balm. We'll see if it actually lives up to the hype, but especially considering how disappointing last month's box is, we're starting off on the right foot with this month's box. The next product we've got here looks like it's from Cleanse Gourmet Pure Wellness Lavender and Peppermint Shower Steamers. Now this is kind of fun that these actually came, because Austin had been talking about trying a nice relaxing scented shower steamer not too long ago. So now we've got some to try. We didn't even know where to start to like look for some because we've never used them before. So these are an $8 value, and the description says, sink into beautiful relaxation as French lavender and vanilla essential oils naturally soothe, calm, and relax your mind and body. Wet to activate, and place 1 or 2 steamers on a shelf in your shower near your face for strong diffusion, or on the shower floor for lighter diffusion. Can also be used in the bathtub as an effervescent soak. So $8 feels about right for valuation for this type of thing, and I'm actually very excited to give these a try. So I'll definitely be reporting back on these. This sounds like something I'm going to enjoy. The next item is from Mad Hippie, and I always think their packaging is very cute. They're cute little graphics. And this is an eye cream. It says 17 actives with peptides, niacinamide, and licorice. So we'll definitely have to read the ingredients list on that, but let me read you the description first. It says it's a $25 value, so pretty high valuation. Nice to have a high price item in the box. And it says a blend of peptides, antioxidants, and bioavailable vitamins formulated to nourish and hydrate the eye area while improving the appearance of fine lines. Massage into clean skin around the eyes after serum. May be followed by a moisturizer if desired. So I'm going to read the ingredients list real quick, and then we'll talk about it. So there are 2 things on this ingredient list towards the bottom that kind of give me pause, but they're extracts and not straight up oils. So there is a chamomile extract and then a lime extract. So I think as long as the product doesn't have a strong scent, I'm going to give it a try. Since they're not straight up oils, they shouldn't be super fragrant. But let me just take it out and sniff it. Why not? So the product does have a light scent, but I wouldn't say it's specifically chamomile or limey. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's probably just a combination of the ingredients that produce that smell. I think I will give this a try. We'll see if my eyes react. Usually things that have scents make my eyes very sensitive. Because this doesn't seem to be scented, just the ingredients kind of make that smell, I think it should be okay, but we'll go ahead and see. And I have to note, once again, a product I have never received in this box, which is great. Last month was so disappointing. I was so nervous about this month, but we're 3 for 3 things I've never received before. So that's awesome. And the last item in here is from Habit. This is the Bright Lights Nourishing Cream Highlighter. And I think I've gotten a blush from Habit before, but I don't think I've gotten a highlighter. So this is in Hollywood Babylon. Let me read you the description before we take it out and swatch it. This is a $28 value, so 2 pretty decently priced items this month, which is nice. A cream-based highlighter infused with skincare ingredients that enhances skin with soft focus illumination wherever you want it. Sounds nice to me. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box and then we'll give it a swatch. Okay, here's the packaging. Really cute. You know, I think I might have had a highlighter from them before, but it was like a really gold color or something. I gave it away because it just didn't work with my skin tone. I think that's feeling familiar to me. I feel like that happened. Here's what it looks like in the tub. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So here's what it looks like swatched. It is a bit cool leaning. It's actually very pretty. Some reflex are pinkish, some are just straight up pearly. Some of the reflex feel a little blue, but it does shine really, really beautifully. I don't know if that would be almost too cool on my skin since I've got very yellow undertones, but we'll give it a try. It looks beautiful. I'm excited to try. I also think this would be like really pretty on the eye for like a little fairy type look. So let's talk about the box in totality. I got 4 products I've never had before, which I'm very, very happy about considering last month was kind of a stinker. And I also got 4 products that I'm pretty excited to use. And there was a good price range balance in this box. I feel like this is sort of what the ideal box should look like, in my opinion. There's skincare, there's makeup, there's fun shower stuff that maybe you wouldn't always buy yourself, but it's fun to get and try. And then a very practical item. Love that. Love the balance of items. Love the price range balance. I'm just really pleased with this box. Everything is something I want to use. And I'm going to go ahead and give this an A plus even. This is a solid recovery after last month's fumble. So that's my thoughts on this month's Petit Vour box. If you got this box, I'd love to know what your thoughts were. You can leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.